Hello and welcome. Today we're going to download Grade Center from Blackboard. Before we get started, you will need to have access to Microsoft Excel. Create a folder on your computer titled Gradebook Archiving. You have the option to create subfolders to organize grades by semesters or terms. From the Holy Names University webpage, go to Blackboard and use your credentials to log in. Once logged in, go to Courses tab at the top right. Select the course you would like to download. Once in the course homepage, under Course Management, select the arrow for Grade Center, and then click Full Grade Center. You'll be directed to Grade Center Full Grade Center page. This will be where your students will be listed. On the right-hand side, hover over Work Offline and select Download. Once you get to the Downloaded Grades page, select all that applies. For this example, I'll use the Full Grade Center. And click Submit when done. Once you get to the Downloads Grades page, click Download. Change the name of the file, and I will put the file under a folder I've already created. I'll now check to see if it's there. You have now successfully downloaded your Grade Center from Blackboard.